All right, Mom, where we're going? Uh-oh. Where's Mom? Where we going? Where we going?
We're going to Adventure Bay. No, we're going to the desert.
What are we going to look for?
We're going to look for antlers.
We're going to look for antlers.
Yeah. We're going to look for antlers.
All right. Let's go see if
Daddy.
It's been raining here today off and on.
Yeah. Meh.
And Mom just put Mom just put some potatoes for potato casserole in the oven, so she can't go with us.
Huh?
So here we go.
Tell people pee-pee fart time. That's pee-pee fart time.
All right, that's enough.
One thing. Wow.
You guys are crazy.
Are we ready to go to the desert? Yeah. Are we ready to go?
There we go.
Camera for a second?
No, it's okay. All right.
Bye, Mom. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming to the cabin. That's how we arranged the new hay.
There's the hay and the field. It looks green, but most of it's, oh, I don't know. It's got some pretty grass in it. That's right. What happened? Oh, okay. So we've been here before. Way back in the day, we actually hiked up that ridge right there. Went over top and around this other area here and that's where we found two of the antlers. Caches and cades. Cases was way over that direction. But that's this little saddle right here is where we've been with the Jeep before. And Woodrow chased them deer back behind this ridge and they ran around back there. So we've been here before, and since we got a late start today and Mom's not with us and it's rained a lot, in fact yesterday there was a flash flood warning in this area, and I know what Mill Fork looks like after flash floods, and I don't want to get stuck in the flash flood. So we are going to just hike around here, look for some antlers. The boys have already looked around here, and we'll follow this road. I don't remember this road being like this. I think this is more people have been driving on it, but maybe not. We'll go around the corner here, and that's where we found the ones before, is up on top of that. So we'll see what we find. Maybe we won't find anything, and maybe we'll find 4 more. Who knows? But I just did hear some thunder from over in those clouds, but the wind's blowing to my back, so the wind's blowing to the north, and we're not going to go head that direction anyway. I don't know if you could hear that. There's lots of thunder up there, and that's good. I'll take the thunder, I'll take the thunder if there's water that comes with it. So all right, we'll go see what's going on here. The dogs didn't go out last week because we had rain last week. You see, it's rained enough that it's left water sitting. But yeah, the dogs probably need to get out and run around and play. I was thinking that was going to be a deer track, but it's a dog track. It's a Woodrow track. I'm coming, buddy. What are you guys doing?
Exploding rocks. What?
Exploding rocks. Wow.
And what's this one?
Yeah. You guys are crazy. Hey, hey, Case. Case. Be careful. Cash is still down there. That didn't work out, did it? That tree right above your head looks like some good kindling for a fire. Nice and dry. All right, enough destroying nature. Let's go for a hike. No, that's still nature. Come on. Say, come on, dogs. Okay, let's go.
Come on, guys.
Might rain. Careful with the rocks. I guess we're going to try to get up on top of that peak up there. Cash, how does it look? Can you get up there? You be careful. Woodrow's found some shade. So did Sage. Sage is right there if you can't see her. Well, I suppose I better go down. Yeah, it is. You guys be careful. Case, how about you not try that? Come on, we'll go, come back down around here, and we'll go around this way. Yeah, I guess. You want me to come and help you, Cade? All right, here we go. I'm not sure the dogs want to go. There's a good cactus. You okay, Kate? Hey, Case, don't throw rocks. That's not flat. You guys doing okay? Sage. Cash, thanks for helping Kate get up. you guys doing?
Good job, Kaden.
No, stay there. Because you'll kick dirt in my eyes. All right. I'll see if I can get up with one hand, but I might have to turn it off. Well, come here. Come and grab this camera and just hold it. It's still running. So I just need to get right up there. Here. You got it. Good job, buddy. Well, that was no picnic. Woo-wee, look at how far we are up here.
Why don't you point the camera? Why don't you go over there and point the camera down?
Okay,
See how far it is.
okay. You guys stay away from the edge, please. Woodrow, you don't need to be jumping after that. Look at your shadow. Look at your shadow down there.
Holy cow.
Hey, you be careful. Be careful. That could take you over with it.
That broke some of the cliff away down there.
All right, that's enough rocks. That's enough rocks. Okay, step away. Cade, Case, that's enough. Come on. We'll follow this ridge right over top where those trees are. Okay, just stay on top.
That is long.
How was that hike?
Great.
Cade,
I just want to do one thing.
Cade, you're getting way better about climbing those ridges, aren't you? No, Woodrow. Caser boy.
Woodrow. No.
All right, let's go.
Come on, Doug.
Come on.
Like it.
Yep. So when we came over that ridge over here way long ago, up to the peak, and then came around here, and you may not be able to see it, but it kind of is grooved out. Yeah, and we were dropping rocks down there. Then we hiked that direction, and that's where we found them antlers. So we're gonna go kind of walk around in the back of this ridge right here and see if we can find any antlers. Two of the three that we found have been over there, so might as well try. And both my batteries are getting pretty low, so I'm not sure how much time we're gonna have. All right, we're facing west. This is where we found two of the three antlers we have. Cash and Case are over there. Okay. And we found, I think we found Cade's antler right here somewhere. And then we found Cash's right over there. But it doesn't look like we can see any at this point. We're just scouting around. Did you get it, buddy? Good job. Okay, should we go up there and see?
Look what I have.
Yeah. You know what else you have? A very red face.
Why?
Because it's hot out here. All right, let's go.
You know why I have this?
Why?
Because that's what farmers have.
And that's what farmers have? That's good.
How about we go over that hill and see if we can find it?
I think we should say, see how this ridge right here? Let's just stay on this ridge and you look on that side and I'll look on this side and we'll see if we can find any. Because there's deer tracks around. Okay.
We're team 2. You're team 1 and we're team 2. We're team electrics. We're team lightning.
All right.
Now we have 4 on our side.
Mm-hmm.
3.
I'm facing this way. Hopefully you can hear me. The wind started to blow quite a bit. We went around where we found those other antlers. Nothing to be found. So now we are almost on top of the mountain. Well, at least at the base of the mountain. The boys split up. So when I turn around, I'll see if I can point them out to you. But this is facing south because the wind is coming from the north to the south. And I just wanted to check out this cave. There's the boys right there. Hopefully that makes sense. I don't know where they're going. Oh, there's the top of the mountain. Hi! Hey! Start going down, the rain's coming. What? Okay, we gotta go back soon, the rain's coming. We got a little rain, so, but you can see the shadow ends and all that's sun, and all this is sun, so we aren't going to get like rained out, but mountain goats. So what are we doing, boys?
Waiting out the storm in here.
You think we can wait it out, or do you think Mom's going to get worried?
I think we can wait it out.
All right.
I wish this would last for like 2.5 days.
2.5 days?
No, 0.5.
0.5. Well,
Good. But then Mom would get worried.
yeah, Mom would get worried. It's not too bad underneath here, huh?
What is in here?
She'd probably send the cops to try to find us.
She would?
Mm-hmm.
What are these?
That's for headaches.
Uh-oh. I don't have one. What are these?
Okay, zip that back up, please.
Oh, there it is. What else do you have in there?
Oh, here.
You probably have diapers.
No diapers, but I think we have wet wipes.
Hi, audience. Diapers. I have to buy some.
Yeah, we'll have to buy some soon, huh? I think Mom's already stocking up.
Yeah, we need buy diapers for when we go on our rental.
With?
You got any blankets in there?
No blankets. Should have brought one, huh?
What do you got in there?
Basically something to start a fire with.
Matches? Matches?
Matches and paper. Nah, it's not gonna be that cold.
What if we just made one? Oh yeah, look here. Before it disappears, that's how much I was sweating.
Mm-hmm.
We could use branches
Branches for what?
from the dead tree for a fire.
Yeah, it's true. If we were gonna make a fire, we'd want to kind of clear it out, like right here,
What if we put it on the rocks down?
and then we'd want to get some rocks and put it around like that, so that it doesn't go anywhere. But see how this branch right here is really close to the fire? Maybe we'd put it over here, make a very small fire. Just put our hands over there. Oh yeah.
Dad, how about we do that?
No, there's no reason to make a fire tonight,
Why?
because we're close, really close to the car.
That's good. I think we could try and start one. About right there.
Yeah, about there.
Could we just try?
No, I'm not going to start a fire tonight. But you can pretend like it. It won't.
It wouldn't even be any warmer.
Are you cold?
No.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I am. Yeah, we would have to like put a tarp or something over it.
Maybe that's what we should carry in the adventure backpack, is a tarp. So if we get caught like this again, we can put the tarp over the limb and over that limb and just have it almost be like a tent. That'd be cool. Sage is over there.
My sleeping bag, Dad.
Right there. Uh-huh.
Come
There's
here.
Woodrow.
You know why I wanted to bring my adventure backpack?
Why is that?
Because it's got a sleeping bag in it.
It does. Oh my goodness. That wouldn't
And
help us
it's
in the
got-
dryer.
And it's got gloves. Look, it's a boat.
Did we make it? Where's the Jeep? I think we made it just in time. We're getting rained on.
Did anybody think this was a Jeep?
I hope not. That would be a bad Jeep, wouldn't it?
That's a toy.
Yeah.
And look, I've got Joker's giant gun.
Yep. All right, fellers. Let's go see what Mom's done. Okay. Dogs, come on.
Hey, Dad, you want to try?
Yep.
You want to try Joker's giant gun?
Yeah, let's see. Pew 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 pew.
I actually want this to be a date.
Okay, let's go. Come on, Woodrow, get in the Jeep. Up.
You know where would be a good place to put this?
Where's that? I think it'll come down. Are you gonna keep it? Put it right there.
You like my Joker giant gun?
I think it's cool. Okay, Case. Hey.
You like my Joker giant gun?
Yep. Okay. Are we done? No, Case. No, Case. No, Case.
Dad, take a video of my sleeve.
A little bit wet, huh? Is yours wet, Kate? No?
Mine's soaked.
Mom's is dry because the window's up most of the way. All right. We made it. It was a fun time had by all.